Namaste everyone. I am Sushma. I recently completed my Yoga Instructor Course from Paadham organization under the guidance of Adi sir. Learning this course was transforming and gave me complete satisfaction. This course was designed so well, it is easy to understand. Adi sir's inspiring words made me to learn the course with passion. His theory sessions would be so interesting, valuable and depth, which made me to understand that yoga is not just about physical fitness but also a way to lead a happy life. His practical sessions would be so enthusiastic. I would enjoy his practical sessions. Pravalika ma'am's practical sessions would be so smooth and helped us to improve a lot. Both of them guided each student and built confidence in us. Internship programs helped me to overcome my fear and gave me a real-time experience to improve my teaching skills. I am happy to be a part of Paadham organization and to be a student of Adi sir. I am thankful to entire Paadham organization for their constant support. Thank you.